Hello, everyone. I hope everybody is doing well. Today, I'm going to model for you how to source our primary sources. So this is referring back to what we have looked at with this historical thinking chart. Today, I'm just going to focus on sourcing with you. So we'll be looking at some of these questions of who wrote this, the author's perspective, when was it written, where was it written? Why was it written? Is it reliable? Why not? So with these questions, we are able to identify these different things, the author's position, author's purpose. Even we can look at if the source is trustworthy. And then that way we are able to address these certain prompts. All right, so first thing we look, this source is provided by the Library of Congress, but the original source is the Tacoma Times. So this is the Tacoma Times newspaper. And we are focusing in the assignment that I have given you, we are focusing on this particular article of the Socialist Congressman. All right, so this is the main focus that we're going to look at. So let's go back and forth between the chart and let's see. So again, who wrote this? It was from the Tacoma Times, but it's by the United Press. All right, what is the author's perspective? So in order to get that, we have to do a little bit of reading of this little part of this newspaper. So we see it announces that he is the first socialist congressman. It goes in to give specific details of a statement from him. Even goes in to say that people had doubts about Berger's election. But then it goes in to provide background information of, where he's born, how he comes to America, and it kind of sets some background information for us. So with this, we can kind of see that the author's position for this particular article, his perspective is just to present the information of announcing that Victor Berger is the first socialist congressman. When was it written? So then we're looking for dates. Luckily, this is a newspaper. So we can see right here, the date here is November 10th, 1910. It asks where it was written. So the particular place is Tacoma, Washington. Then again, it's asked why was it written. That kind of goes along for this. In this case, the perspective, it goes along with the perspective of why it was written. For this particular article is to announce the socialist congressman. So that's the main purpose. So when we identify and answer these questions, again, it shows us a lot that we can identify. We can answer these prompts as I have in answering these questions of what the author believes, what the audience is. The audience for this particular one would be Tacoma, Washington, to just identify, announce the congressman yet again. And we can simply trust this because it's not given any bias information.